Hello viewers, you are most welcome back to the channel GH Uni Application Tips. And if you've not watched any of my previous videos, I encourage you to visit those videos so you don't miss out on the necessary information needed when applying to either the University of Ghana or the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. So in this video, we are going to take a look at the College of Agriculture and Natural Resources of the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, and we are going to look at the available programs that the college offers, the entry requirements for these programs, the campus where these programs can be found, the cutoff point for these programs, and the choice of selection and preference. If you've been watching my previous videos, you will notice there are some programs that can only be selected as your first choice. There are other programs that can also be selected as your second, third, or your fourth choice. And any additional information required about these programs we need to know of. Bachelor of Science in Agriculture and Bachelor of Science Agricultural Biotechnology. And the entry requirement for these two programs is that you must have credit passes at least grade C6 in core mathematics, English language, and integrated science, as well as 3 elective subjects including chemistry and any 2 of the following: physics, mathematics, general agriculture, animal husbandry, crop and horticulture, fisheries and forestry. These 2 programs are available on the main campus, and the cutoff point for Bachelor of Science in Agriculture was grade 24 as of last academic year, and it's preferably a first, second, third, or a fourth choice selection. However, the cutoff point for Bachelor of Science Agricultural Biotechnology was aggregate 19 as of last academic year, and it's preferably a first, second, or a third choice selection. Bachelor of Science in Natural Resource Management and Bachelor of Science Forest Resource Technology. And the entry requirement for these 2 programs is that you must have credit passes at least a grade C6 in core mathematics, English language, and integrated science, as well as elective subjects such as chemistry, physics, mathematics, biology, general agriculture, crop and horticulture, forestry, fisheries, and geography. These 2 programs are available on the main campus, and the cutoff point for Bachelor of Science Natural Resource Management was aggregate 20 as of last academic year, and is preferably a first, second, or a third choice selection. And the cutoff point for Bachelor of Science Forest Resource Technology was aggregate 24 as of last academic year, and it's a first, second, third, or a fourth choice selection. Bachelor of Science Agribusiness Management, and the entry requirement for this program is that you must have credit passes at least a grade C6 in the core subjects such as core mathematics, English language, and integrated science, as well as 3 elective subjects from the science, general arts, specifically economics, geography, mathematics, business, and agriculture background. An additional requirement is that you need at least a grade B3 in integrated science if you are a non-science student. This program is available on the main campus, and the cutoff point for Bachelor of Science Agribusiness Management was aggregate 18 as of last academic year, and it's preferably a first, second, or a third choice selection. Bachelor of Science Landscape Design and Management, and the entry requirement for this program is that you must have credit passes at least a grade C6 in the core subjects such as core mathematics, English language, and integrated science, as well as 3 elective subjects from the general arts, specifically economics, geography, mathematics, general knowledge, and arts, technical drawing, visual arts, and agriculture background. This program is available on the main campus, and is preferably a first, second, or a third choice selection. However, the cutoff point for Bachelor of Science Landscape Design and Management was aggregate 22 as of last academic year. Bachelor of Science Aquaculture and Water Resource Management, and the entry requirement for this program is that you must have credit passes at least a grade C6 in the core subjects such as core mathematics, English language and integrated science, as well as 3 elective subjects from the science and agriculture background. This program is available on the main campus, and it's preferably a first, second, third, or a fourth choice selection. However, the cutoff point for Bachelor of Science, Aquaculture and Water Resource Management was aggregate 24 as of last academic year. So I'd like to thank you for watching this video, and in my next video we are going to look at the College of Science, and let's gain over 100 likes for this video so I make a special video on how to apply to the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology's online application portal step by step. And also please do well to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Comment, ask questions, share to friends and relatives who are also applying this year. Please make sure to click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.